Creating a number sequence in Excel is simple and can save time when organizing data. Here's how to do it. Enter the first two numbers of your desired sequence in two adjacent cells. For a natural number sequence, enter 1 and 2. Select both cells. Then click and drag the small square at the cell's bottom right, the fill handle, down the column to fill in the sequence. Excel will automatically increment the numbers for you. Let's see some more examples. Type 1 and 3 for a sequence of odd numbers. Type 2 and 4 for a sequence of even numbers. Type 5 and 10 for multiples of 5. Excel can also generate numbers in reverse. For example, if you need a sequence like 190, type both numbers and drag. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.